What if I told you, by the year 2035, nearly 40% of today's jobs could disappear? Not because of a war, not because of a recession, but because of something sitting quietly in your pocket right now: artificial intelligence. But here's the real question. Is this the beginning of a global crisis, or the biggest opportunity in human history? Today, we're diving deep into the truth. No hype, no fear, just reality.
Welcome to the Business Archive, where we break down business, technology, and the future of work. AI is no longer a future concept. It's already writing content, creating videos, driving cars, and even making business decisions. But what happens when it starts replacing millions of workers? Let's find out.
The current trajectory for the Deep Space project exceeds initial expectations by 15%.
Recent reports suggest that up to 40% of global jobs could be automated by 2035. Think about that. That's not just factory workers. That includes customer service agents, accountants, drivers, designers, even programmers. Yes, even the people who build technology could be replaced by it. But here's where it gets interesting. Every time technology destroys jobs, it also creates new ones.
Let's go back in time. When machines replaced manual labor, during the Industrial Revolution, millions lost their jobs. People protested. They feared the future. But what happened next? New industries were born. Factories created jobs. Technology created careers that never existed before. Fast forward to today. The same pattern is repeating. The only difference? This time, it's happening faster than ever.
Not all jobs are equally at risk. The most vulnerable jobs are repetitive tasks, rule-based work, low creativity roles. For example, a chatbot can handle thousands of customer queries in seconds. AI tools can design logos in minutes. And self-driving systems, they're already reducing the need for drivers. But here's the twist. Jobs that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking are much harder to replace.
Now, let's talk about the opportunity side. AI is not just replacing jobs, it's creating entirely new industries. New roles are emerging, like AI prompt engineers, automation specialists, content creators using AI, digital entrepreneurs. And the best part? You don't always need a degree. You just need skills, adaptability, and the willingness to learn. In fact, one person with AI today can do the work of an entire team.
So the real question is not, will AI take jobs? Because it will. The real question is, will you adapt or be replaced? The future belongs to people who learn new skills, use AI instead of fearing it, and move faster than the change itself. Because AI is not your enemy. Ignoring it is. So, will AI destroy jobs? Yes. Will it create new opportunities? Absolutely. But in the end, the future doesn't depend on AI. It depends on you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful insights on business and the future. This is the Business Archive, and we'll see you in the next one.